If your front load washer has suddenly locked up and is flashing F35 and SUD on the screen, you are probably staring at a tub of wet clothes, and the machine will eventually not start a new cycle. That F35 error code is one of the most frustrating Whirlpool errors because it halts the cycle, and unplugging the machine almost never clears it. But here is the secret. You do not need to pay a $300 repair bill. We will show you exactly how to bypass and resolve it. As an appliance repair technician, I see this issue constantly on Whirlpool Duet, Kenmore Elite, and Maytag front-load washers. First, let's understand the cause. The F35 code means your washer's analog pressure sensor, or APS, part number W10415587, is failing to detect the correct water level. This is often triggered by a clogged pressure hose, or a hose with a hole or crack holding back soapy water. To start, unplug the washer, pull it out, and remove the top panel to locate the small circular pressure sensor near the top right. Pull off the thin black rubber hose connected to the sensor and blow through it to clear any built-up soap scum or debris. If the hose is clear and the drain filter is clean, the sensor itself is likely fried and needs to be replaced. You can easily swap the pressure switch in 5 minutes for about $100, which resolves 90% of F35 and SUD errors. If a new APS is installed and the error persists, try the F35 Error Repair Kit for the CCU, available at f35error.com. It contains components that go bad over the years. Subscribe for more DIY appliance repair guides that save you hundreds in technician visits. See you in the next video.